Okay, so we have to perform the four practicals of XOR gate using the NOR gate. See the symbolic representation of see the symbolic representation of XOR gate, right? So we have used to the total number of four gates. So first gate it will be act like a NOT gate, and second gate is also act like a. So first we have to create the first gate as a NOT gate and second gate as a NOT gate. Now we have to do stepwise because it is a long process to do it. So that is your first gate, second gate, third gate, and fourth gate. What we have to do? See here, first gate it will be act like a NOT gate. First gate it will be act like a NOT gate, and second gate is also it will be act like a NOT gate. So how do we create a NOT gate? Where both input A and B we have to interconnect by the wires, then it will be act like a NOT gate because the output condition of the NOR gate is y is equal to A plus B, the complement, right? So whenever you have to connect between the two wires, then it will be act like as a single input. Then obviously the output of the gate is y is equal to A ka complement. And for the second gate, we have to again connect the two wires between between the A and B. Now it will be at a single connection. Okay. So then it will be act like a single connection, that is your B. Then output will be the y is equal to B ka complement. Okay. So now do so that is your pin number 2 and 3. That is the input of the first gate. Now we have to connect between the pin number 2 and 3. Okay, it will be act like a NOT gate, and there is a second gate. That is your second gate. Second gate, sorry, that is your second gate. Second gate has the input between the 5 and 6. Okay, so we have to connect the wire between the 5 and 6. Now our gate number 1 and gate number 2 is acting like as a NOT gate. Okay, so we have to provide the input from the pin number 1 and we have to provide the input from the first gate and the second gate. So our slide switch is connected, either it's pin number 2 or 3 and pin number 5 and 6, because we have already interconnected pin number 2, 3 and 5 and 6. You can choose the connection between the 2 and 3 and 5 and 6. So either you have connect the slide switch between the pin number 5 and 6. Okay, that is your slide switch number 1, and that is your slide switch number 2. You have to choose either you have connect the pin number 5 and 6, otherwise you have to connect the pin number 6 here, pin number 5, pin number 2 and 3. That is your slide switch number 1 and slide switch number 2. Again to the diagram, the input of the first gate, the output of the first gate, it will go to the input of the third gate. Okay, that is the input of third gate, that is the first input. And second gate, the output of the second gate, it will go to the input of third gate, that is the second input. Okay, so output of your first gate at the pin number 1, that is your gate number 3. So from the gate number 1, it will go to the pin number 8, because see here on the diagram, the output of the first gate, it will go to the input of the first of third gate. Okay, and now see that on the logical diagram, from the pin number B, that is B is our the second gate, the output of the second gate, it will go to the pin number 10, pin number 9, because that is the input of the third gate, that is the second input. Okay, so second gate has the input at the pin number 4. So from the pin number 4, you have to take a wire and connect at a pin number 9. Okay, that will be done. Then see here, now the third gate output, it is going to the fourth gate, but fourth gate is now acting like as a NOT gate. So that is our fourth gate. Pin number 11 and pin number 12 is the input of the fourth gate. So it is acting like a NOT gate. So we have to connect the 11 and 12, that is acting as NOT gate. Okay. Now, so output of the third gate, it will go to the input of the fourth gate, right? So output of third gate at the pin number 10. So pin number 10, either you have to connect the pin number 11 or pin number 12 because it is interconnection between the 11 and 12. And for the output, we have to connect at a pin number 3 to the anode terminal of the LED. Okay, anode terminal of the LED. Now do the connections. So already we have done just by removing the connections. Okay, we have required 2 slide switch, right? So do the connection accordingly. Again, his name is change the name, that is NOR gate, by using the NOR gate. Okay, so we have to create a gate number 1, gate number 2 that will be act like as a NOT gate, right? So that is 2 and 3, that is the input of the second gate. Interconnect it, that will be act like as a NOT gate. And second gate, that is the input at pin number 5, 6, that will go to the act like as a NOT gate also. So 5 and 6 I have already connected. And which one also? Fourth gate is also act like a NOT gate. So pin number 11 and 12, right? So that is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So 11 and 12 you have to do the interconnection because it is already acting like a NOT gate. Now the output of the first gate, it will go to the input of third gate. Okay, so from the pin number 1, that is go to the pin number 8. So that is the pin number 1, that is the output of the first gate. It will be go to the that is the output of the first gate, that will go to the pin number 8. Pin number 8 is basically the first input of third gate, right? First input of, that is first input of the gate. Then from the pin number 4, it will go to the pin number 9 because pin number 4 is the output of the second gate and pin number 9 is the input of the third gate. So from the pin number 4, it will go to the pin number 9. Do the connections accordingly, that is pin number 9. Change the wire of the color for a difference. Okay, then from pin number 10, it will go to the 11, either 12. Okay, see the connection. The third output of third gate, it will go to the input of the fourth gate. So from pin number 10, that is 8, 9, 10, it will go to the 11 or 12. So connect it 11 or 12 and change the levels. And the output of fourth gate at the pin number 13, so from the pin number 13, it will go to the anode terminal of the LED. So that is your pin number 13. And choose a wire from the pin number 13 that will be go to the so see here, I have connected a one slide switch at a gate number 1 and another slide switch at a gate number 2. Okay, we have already created as a NOT gate. They are acting like a NOT gate. So you have either connected the pin number 2 and 3, either you have to connect the pin number 5 and 6, the common wire of the slide switch, right? So I have connected at a pin number 2, that is first input, and pin number 5 and 6, that is third. Okay, now verify the truth table. I have done one connection. Now start the simulations and verify the all truth table. Okay, 0, 0 is 1, 0, 1 is 1. Okay, 1 and 0 is also 1, but 1 and 1 is 0. That is a truth table of our X NOT gate. So we have verified the truth table and the symbolic representation of external. So stop the simulation. Thank you very much.